They say reduced mobility after 60 is inevitable. But tell me, does this feel inevitable to you? That stiffness in your hips when you stand up, that rigid feeling in your knees when you take the first step, that awkward, robotic movement when your body refuses to flow the way it used to, or that quiet fear that one day your legs may simply stop cooperating? Now imagine this. In the 1800s, flamenco dancers in Spain performed night after night, twisting, rotating, stamping, turning, with fluidity that seemed almost impossible for the human body. But their secret wasn't strength, it was mobility. A ritual of circular hip movement known as the fire steps, designed to keep joints open, loose, and alive. And recently, in 2024, researchers at the Madrid Institute studied these rotational patterns, finding they can increase mobility by up to 39% in just a few weeks. All scientific sources are listed for you in the description. But before we begin, I want to hear from you. Where does your stiffness live? Hips, knees, lower back, or ankles? Does your body feel tightest in the morning, after sitting, after walking? Or do you sometimes feel like your legs simply don't flow anymore? Leave your comment below. Your story might help someone who feels the same frustration, because today, we're not just moving, we're awakening movement. You're still here. And that tells me something important. You're not giving up on your mobility. You're reclaiming it, step by step. Just like those flamenco dancers who trained their hips to stay fluid for decades. In the last block, you heard how fire steps and circular hip motions kept their bodies supple and strong, and how science in Madrid confirms that targeted mobility work can bring back up to 39% more freedom of movement. But here's the key, and I want you to absorb this deeply. Your body sets the tempo. Your breath guides the motion. Your mobility grows from consistency, not force. Each exercise today has 3 sets, but right now, you'll follow only the first set with me. Slowly, gently, and with full support. After this first guided set, you can pause the video, rewind the movement, or complete your second and third sets later, at your own rhythm, without pressure, without expectations, and absolutely without comparison. If your body gives you 3 circles today, that's progress. If it gives you 6, even better. If all you can manage is a tiny motion, just a soft, controlled shift, that still counts. Because mobility isn't achieved by intensity. It's unlocked by patient repetition. Always listen to your body. Sharp pain, stop immediately. A gentle pull, warmth, stretching, slight instability. That's your brain and joints waking up, relearning fluid movement. And remember, every time you choose to move, even for a few seconds, you are teaching your body a new story of freedom. Instead of stiffness, instead of hesitation, instead of fear. So now, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and inhale steadily. Because in the next block, we begin the first flamenco-inspired mobility move. A gentle motion adapted from the legendary dancers themselves. Movement number 4. Seated hip circles. 25 seconds. The Flamenco Hip Awakener. Now we begin with the first mobility unlocking preparation. Sit tall with both feet grounded. And begin moving your hips in slow, circular motions, as if drawing smooth circles beneath you. Start now. Good. Just relax into the motion. Feel stiffness melting from the hip joints. Feel freedom returning to the pelvis. Feel the body remembering its fluidity. This movement frees the hips, improves pelvic rotation, and restores the fundamental mobility needed for walking and balance. If it feels tight, that's perfectly fine. Your body is loosening, your range expanding, with every gentle rotation. And stop. Shake your legs softly. Movement number 3, standing knee lifts, 25 seconds. The flamenco step activation. Stand tall, optionally resting one hand on a wall or chair for support. Now alternate slowly. Right knee up, down, left knee up, down. Start now. Beautiful, nice, and controlled. Feel the hip flexors engaging. Feel the thighs waking up. Feel the spine aligning to support the motion. Each lift increases fluid movement in the lower body and restores the ability to step confidently, like a dancer preparing for movement across the floor. You're moving wonderfully, steady, smooth, rhythmic, and stop. Movement number 2, side leg swing, 25 seconds. The flamenco lateral freedom. Hold on to a stable surface. Now swing one leg gently to the side. Not far, just naturally within your range. Start now. Excellent. Let the motion feel easy, as if brushing the air aside with your foot. You're opening the hip abductors, expanding step width, and improving the ability to sidestep obstacles in daily life. This movement restores lateral mobility, essential for turning, navigating, and avoiding falls. You're doing beautifully. Keep breathing, keep flowing, and stop. Switch legs if you alternated. Shake them lightly. Movement number 1, seated twist, 25 seconds. The flamenco spine unlock. Sit upright, hands resting comfortably. Now gently rotate your torso to the right, then to the left. Slow, relaxed, intentional. Start now. Good. Feel the ribs expand. Feel the mid-spine opening. Feel the upper and lower body beginning to move as one integrated unit. This improves gait mechanics, posture, and overall fluid mobility in daily movement. You're doing amazing. Let the body unwind tension, restore rotation, and return to natural motion, and stop. Excellent work. That completes your first flamenco-inspired mobility series. And if you stayed with me until here, your body has already begun its first wave of freedom. Hip circles loosen the central joint of mobility. Standing knee lifts woke the step forward muscles. Side leg swings restored lateral motion. And the seated twist reconnected your entire movement chain. These 4 movements, done regularly, begin retraining your body to move fluidly, confidently, and pain-free. But listen closely, because the flamenco dancers understood something powerful. Movement alone improves mobility. But when the right foods enter your bloodstream right after activating your joints, the results multiply. So if you want deeper flexibility, easier walking, and a body that feels lighter and freer each day, stay with me. Number 4, extra virgin olive oil, joint lubrication, plus anti-stiffness support. We begin with something ancient, extra virgin olive oil. This oil contains oleic acid and powerful polyphenols that reduce joint inflammation and help lubricate the tissues that allow your hips, knees, and ankles to glide smoothly. For mobility, this means less grinding sensation in the joints, smoother walking, less stiffness when rising from a chair, and improved range of motion. It's no wonder Mediterranean cultures were famous for fluid, confident movement well into older age, because olive oil wasn't just food. It was joint nourishment. A single tablespoon a day can help your body rediscover movement that feels effortless instead of restricted. 3. Tomatoes, lycopene, plus tissue protection. Next, the humble tomato. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects joint cartilage and helps reduce oxidative stress around the knees and hips. For seniors experiencing Morning stiffness, slower steps, delayed motion, dull aching in the legs. Tomatoes act like gentle protectors, shielding the tissues that allow the legs to bend, turn, and rotate. Think of them as a maintenance tool for the hinges and swivels of your lower body. 2. Sardines, calcium, plus omega-3, plus vitamin D. Now, we add a true mobility powerhouse, sardines. They provide calcium for bone integrity, vitamin D for muscle coordination, and omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation in the joints while improving neuromuscular responsiveness. For mobility, this translates to stronger leg stability, better control during steps, smoother transitions between movements, and improved confidence during walking. This is why many traditional Mediterranean dancers kept fish as a staple, not for flavor alone, but for the endurance and mobility it supported. Fuzzy 1. Ginger tea, circulation, plus muscle relaxation, plus anti-stiffness, and finally, ginger tea. This warming herbal infusion improves microcirculation, relaxes tense muscles, and supports the body in maintaining smooth, fluid movement. For mobility, ginger tea can help release tightness, improve joint comfort, stimulate leg responsiveness, and reduce robotic or stiff walking patterns. A warm cup before movement or before bed sets the stage for joints that wake up feeling freer and legs that respond more naturally. When you combine these 4 foods consistently, joint lubrication from olive oil, cartilage support from tomatoes, structural stabilization from sardines, and muscle softening circulation from ginger, your body begins to move differently, looser, lighter, faster, and more alive. And now that you've learned how the flamenco-inspired mobility approach supports your body from the inside out, let's move into your final step for today. Before you go, if this routine helped you feel even a little more free in your movement, don't forget to like this video. It tells YouTube that seniors want mobility, not limitation. Share it with a friend or family member because sometimes the smallest encouragement is what keeps someone walking confidently instead of sitting in fear. And comment below. Tell me which movement made the biggest difference for you today. Your experience can inspire someone who is silently struggling with stiff hips, tight legs, or limited mobility. And of course, subscribe to Better Legs, Better Life so you never miss the next step of your transformation. Great work today. Just showing up is already progress. And remember, real mobility at this stage of life doesn't come from pushing hard. It comes from patience, repetition, and believing your body can still learn. Every gentle circle, every slow lift, every mindful step is teaching your body a new truth. You are still capable. You are still adaptable. You are still growing. See you in the next step. Keep moving, keep smiling, and never forget, you've got this.